you must discover by yourself. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miguel Bravo. I am a student at UNIR. Well, today I'm going to explain about the use of the Schwa sound. So this Schwa sound, it's like an upside down E. And well, so this is the name for the most common sound in English. It is a weak and stressed sound, and it occurs in many words. It is often the sound grammar words such as articles and prepositions. Getting the Schwa sound correct is a good way of making your pronunciation more accurate and natural. This is difficult because people cannot pronounce it well, so that it's important to let them know about this, because if they speak properly the sound, people's pronunciation will be similar to maybe native speakers. And we must remember that the sound is very used in common speaking. The phonemic symbol for this sound, as I told you at the beginning, it's like an upside down E in this way. Any vowel letter can be pronounced as schwa, and the pronunciation of a vowel letter can change depending on whether the syllable in which it occurs is stressed or not. In the word man, for example, the letter A has its full sound represented by the symbol E. It's like this. It's like an A and an E, which are together, which must be written combined. In postman, the syllable man is not stressed, and letter A is pronounced as schwa, represented by the symbol as an upside down E. The sound schwa does not only represent a single letter. In some words, it is the sound of several letters, or even a whole syllable. This is often, but not only, seen in words which are a syllable made up of a vowel letter, followed by letter R. Remember, the schwa sound is only used if the syllable which it is in is not stressed. Yeah. So, well, to let you know about what's the symbol of this schwa sound, I'm going to share my computer screen in order to check that information, so you can clarify some ideas about it. Well, give me a second, please. I'm going to share that document. Where is this? Yeah, I hope now. I hope that you can watch this PowerPoint presentation. So as you can watch here, we have what's the symbol of this schwa sound. As I told you, this is like an upside down E. You can watch here in this part. So how can you pronounce? Well, you can pronounce in the following way. The sound is in the following. You must do the following one. This sound must be pronounced in the next way. For example, if I have the word teacher, yeah, we can pronounce as teacher, but we can use a sound, schwa sound here too. In this case, at the end, when we want to pronounce the letters ER. For example, in this case, if it would be better if I pronounce at the end instead of er. For example, I can say teacher. In that case, I should pronounce it like this. So let's check this example, please. Yeah. Read, the instruction is the following one. Read to these examples. The schwa sounds are marked in red, as you can watch here. So please, let's read it. Let's read the first statement together, so you can notice what's the correct pronunciation of these letters using the schwa sound. For example, the first one. This present is for my brother. It's a book about a boy whistle. The next example, please. To survive. You must pronounce survive the cold weather. You have to make through a preparation. Yeah. So, well, I'm going to read it again, those statements as fast as I can do. This present is for my brother. It's a book about a boy wizard. To survive the cold weather, you have to make through a preparation. Yeah, so that's the way you must pronounce this. Well, I prepared some activities about the use of this sound to make a practice about this. So, well, I would like that you participate, helping me reading these words. And in the first activity, we have some words, and you are going to discover what words must be pronounced using the schwa sound. Well, if you want, you can get a dictionary and you can find the phonetics of each word to notice how to pronounce when you must pronounce the schwa sound. So then I'm going to give you a feedback so that you can check the answers to each exercise. Yeah, so I hope that you can watch this. The exercise 1. Look at the words below and decide where in the word the schwa sound occurs. Underline and or write the schwa sound symbol over the correct part of the word. The first one has been done for you. Hint. One word has 2 examples of schwa. All the others have only one. So these are the words which you must discover by yourself to notice when you must use or when you pronounce the schwa sound. Yeah. So what are those words? Tomorrow, summer, protect, purple, banana, difficult, level, survive, tita, misha, wisa. So as I read it, I hope that you could notice where is located the schwa sound, my dear peers, or someone who is watching this video. Yeah, I'm going to give you some minutes, please, so you must discover about my pronunciation. Yeah. Tomorrow, summer, protect, puppy, Misha, banana, difficult, level, survive, tita, wizard. Yeah. So I did it again. I read it again, emphasizing this schwa sound. I hope you can notice this sound in each word. Well, did you get it? I hope so. So let's check the answers, guys. Well, here are the answers. Yeah. The first one was done for you. Doctor. We can say doctor. Yeah. Tomorrow, 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 summer, 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 protect, 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 pupa, 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 Misha, Misha, banana, banana. Excellent. You must pronounce after me so you can notice how to pronounce the Schwa sound, guys. Excellent. Do it. You are doing an excellent job. Pronounce. Continue pronouncing the other and the last words. Help me, please. Yeah, let's continue with this one. Difficult, difficult, difficult. Excellent. Pronounce again, guys. Difficult. Level, 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 level. Survive, survive, survive. Excellent. You are doing well. Tita, tita, tita. Excellent. And let's pronounce together the last word. Wisa, 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 wisa. Excellent, guys. You did an excellent job. Congratulations to everyone. Yeah. So in the next example, I prepared some statements, and in some of them, in some of these words, which are in this written in each statement, you can notice what are pronounced with the schwa sound. So I'm going to read each statement, and so that you can notice what are the in what words schwa sound exists. Yeah, so this is the exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. In this exercise, look at these sentences and decide where the schwa sound occurs. It may occur more than once in each sentence. The minimum number of schwas in sentence is 1. The maximum, 7. Yeah, so that's a key word, a key to everyone. So let's start with the first one. The first one was done for you. It's for you. It's for you. It's for you. It's for you. For you. Yeah. So we have the schwa sound here in the letters O and R. The next one. It takes a lot of time. How about a cup of tea? What are you doing tonight? What time will you arrive at Victoria? I was going to tell you the leisure center is closed for a private function. The airport is not far from the capital city. The capital city. That book is about pronunciation. We need more financial support. You need to pay attention all the time. And the last one, it is a very thorough report. So I'm going to give you some minions so that you can notice where you must use this, where you must have used this schwa sound. Yeah. So check please guys, check it. Excellent. Well done. Yeah. So, well, I hope you did it well. So, maybe let's check together how you must pronounce using the schwa sound. In the first statement, it's for you. It's for you. For you. You have this schwa sound on the letters O and R. In the second statement, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. Yeah. So we have here two schwa sounds. The first one occurs on the letter A and the other on the letter O. In the next example, the third one. How about a cup of tea? Yeah. How about a cup of tea? So we have here three Schwa sounds on letters A, and O. The next example. Yeah, let's pronounce with me, guys. Let's pronounce with me so you can notice better and learn to pronounce this Schwa sound. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? Yeah. The next, so we have here in R and O. The next statement. What time will you arrive at Victoria? What time will you arrive at Victoria? Yeah. So we have on A, and A on those letters. The next example. I was going to tell you. I was going to tell you. It's like a no? That's the correct way of pronouncing this Schwa sound. The next one. The Leisure Center is closed for a private function. Excellent. Well, you are doing well this. You are pronouncing well these sounds. Excellent, guys. Congratulations. So we have here on the E, on the letters, such as E, R-E, R-E, R-O-O-R, A, and O. E-I-O. I-O, no, in function. Excellent. Thanks for correct my mistake. The next one. The airport is not far from the capital city. Yeah. The airport is not far from the capital city. Yeah, excellent. So we have here on the letters O, E, and A. The next example. The book is about pronunciation. Yeah. So we have here the Schwa sound on letters E, A, O, and O. The next example. We need more financial support. We need more financial support. So we have here the Schwa sound on A, on the letters A and U. Well, those are vowels, you know that. And letters. Consider letters. You know this. And the next example. You need to pay attention all the time. You need to pay attention all the time. Yeah, excellent, guys. Well pronounced. You are pronouncing well. So we have here on the letters. The Schwa sound the Schwa sound occurs on letters O, and E. And the last example. Here, it is a very throw a report. Excellent, guys. So we have here on this underlined words and phrases. In this case, is the first letter A, and here on letters O, U, G, H. Excellent, guys. So you did a good and an excellent job. Excellent. Thanks a lot. So I hope you can learn about this important sound which must be pronounced in spoken English language. So please, if you have doubts, you can let me know writing your comments on this chat, maybe. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you had a beautiful time and a good one. So see you the next time. Bye bye.